I want to guide you on how to transplant your spinach seedling, the best spacing, and also how they're supposed to be transplanted. I have a special seedling, not from the nursery. I have not uprooted it in the soil. I just bought them from the propagators, and it will be very easier for me now to grow these because I've not been lucky by sowing my own seedlings and transplanting them. So when transplanting the seedlings, one thing you need to observe is to make sure that your roots are intact, your seedling roots are intact, and from there make holes. And now in these holes, this is where the spacing is, and I'm using a very special spacing for my planting today, because I'm using 30 centimeters from one plant to the other and 30 centimeters from one plant to the other. So that is what I'm using. So for planting is very simple, just sodding the soil and covering it. You see, very simple. The simplest job to do is transplanting. I usually find it very simple. So this is how I'm doing the transplanting, as simple as this. During transplanting, you can start with application of manure and fertilizer, but in my case I've decided to transplant them this way. Then later on I come with the fertilizer because I don't have manure at the moment. So after this is when I'm going to apply the fertilizer. So this is how we transplant as quick as that. Some books or some farmers have advised when transplanting the seedling, they place the stem of the seedling. I don't like doing that. I usually, in my case, I don't place the stem. I just place it and cover it. Just place it and cover it. As simple as that. Place, make a small hole, place and cover. Make a small hole, place and cover. As simple. So make that hole, place and do the covering. As that. So this, it is as simple as that. So again, to repeat, the spacing I'm using 30 by 30 centimeters from one plant to the other and from one line to the other. And that what I'm using at the moment. And from one bed to the other, those who may ask, from one bed to the other, I have a spacing of around 60 centimeters from one bed to the other. So it's that simple. Those who wanted to know about how to plant the spinach is as simple as that. You can raise your own seedling. You can buy them from the propagator. During transplanting, you can start with manure application. You can do fertilizer application, then transplant, or you can transplant and apply the fertilizers thereafter. Hope you've learned something. For more information, go to my YouTube channel at Farm with Fred. Subscribe so that we can continue learning together. Bye.